Welcome to another exciting and entertaining session. Today we are discussing about parts of a plant. Plant means we remember garden. Garden is a magical place. In the garden we see different types of plants. So plants give us everything what we need. The whole world is depend on plants, plant products, even the food we eat, the air we breathe, each and everything comes from plants. So we can say plants as producers. Why they are called producers? Because they are autotrophs. Plants are autotrophs. Autotrophs means they prepare their own food. The plants which prepare their own food are called autotrophs. How they prepare their own food? By the help of photosynthesis. Plants prepare their own food by the help of photosynthesis. So, what is the photosynthesis? The process of preparing food by the process of sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide is called photosynthesis. So, plants are a plant is divided into two types. One is root system, another one is shoot system. Plant is divided into two types. One is root system and another one is shoot system. In the shoot system, we have stem, leaves, flower, fruit. So today we are discussing about stem. Stem. What is a stem? Stem is a what is stem? Stem is a green color part that is growing above the soil. The part that grows above the soil is called stem. Stem has leaves, branches, fruits, flowers, all these. Some stems are woody and some stems are weak, soft. So, this is about stem. What are the functions of the stem? A stem carries water from the roots and supplies to all parts of the plant. A stem gives support. It gives support. It carries water and minerals. Then it supplies water to the leaves. Supply water to leaves. So this is about stem. And the next we will learn about leaf. Leaf. What are the parts of a leaf? Leaf, let's draw. Yes. Leaf has leaf blade. Leaf blade is leaf blade. Leaf has leaf blade. In the leaf blade, there are veins, midrib, apex, base, margin. So in the leaf blade, there are, what is a leaf blade? First, let us study about leaf blade. Leaf blade is the thin, flat portion of the leaf. Thin, flat, green portion of the leaf. Okay. This leaf blade has midrib. This one is the midrib. Midrib is the central thick portion of the leaf. Central thick line of the leaf. This thick line gives support to the leaf. This thick line gives support to the leaf. Next, there are veins, thin veins. These are thin line like structures. These veins carry food and material to all parts of the plant. Okay. Next, apex. This is the apex part of the leaf. And the base. This is the base, bottom portion of the leaf. The bottom portion of the leaf is called base. What is margin? Margin is the edge portion of the leaf. Margin is the edge portion of the leaf. So, what is petiole? In the leaf, there are petiole. Next part is petiole. Where is petiole? Petiole is here. The part that connects the leaf and the stem is called petiole. The part that connects the leaf and the stem is called petiole. The part that connects the leaf and the stem. Here, this one is the stem that connects the stem is called petiole. And the next part is stipule. What is where is the stipule? Stipule is a leaf-like structures. These are the leaf-like structures present. These are stipules. A pair of stipules are present at the end of the petiole. At the end of the petiole, there are a pair of stipules present at the end of the petiole. These are leaf-like structures. Stipules are leaf-like structures. This is about parts of a leaf. A leaf has leaf blade, petiole, stipule. Leaf blade has veins, midrib, apex, base, margin. Okay. Next, petiole. Petiole is the part that connects the leaf and the stem. Stipule. Stipule are a pair of leaf-like structures present at the end of the leaf. At the end of the petiole, not leaf. Okay. This is about parts of leaf. Okay. Next, let us study about leaf in detail. Let us know about the leaf in detail. Okay, I have a question for you. Do plants eat food like us? Do plants eat food like us? Can anyone answer? No. Plants do not eat food like us, but they prepare their own food. Okay? So, these plants are called food factories of the plant. They are the kitchen of the plant. Leaves are called food factories of the plant, the kitchen of the plant. Why? Because they prepare their own food. Why leaves are green? Leaves are flat, thin, green. Why green? Because they have a chlorophyll pigment in the leaves. So, in the leaves, leaves have a green color pigment in the chloroplast. This is the chloroplast. In the leaves, there is a green color pigment in the chloroplast. So that green color pigment helps in preparing the food material. How it prepares food? By using only three things. Plant prepares food in by using three things. One is sunlight, water, CO2. By using these three things, a plant prepares food, prepares food by the process of photosynthesis. How a plant prepares food? By using sunlight, water, carbon dioxide. A plant prepares food by the process of photosynthesis. Here is a trick. Sunlight plus water plus carbon dioxide is equal to plant food. Okay? Remember like this. Sunlight plus water plus CO2 is equal to plant food. So now, how a plant sends water to all parts of the plant? How a plant sends water to all parts of the plant? How leaf gets water? How a leaf gets water to prepare food? Roots. Yes. Answer is roots. See, roots absorb water. These roots absorb water and they supply to all parts of the plant. Roots absorb water and this water is supplied to all parts of the plant. This stem carries water to branches, flowers, fruits, and it gives to all parts of the plant. Even it gives water to leaf. It gives water to the leaf to prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. So, I have already told you, leaves have green color pigment that in the chloroplast. Okay, that green color pigment, that green color, how a leaf gets its green color? How a leaf absorbs, a leaf absorbs red light, blue light. A leaf absorbs red light and blue light and it reflects green light. So, a leaf absorbs red light and blue light and it reflects green light. So, a leaf looks green in color. Okay, this is clear now. Next, a leaf has tiny pores. Leaf has tiny pores. In these pores, what are these pores called? Stomata. Tiny pores are called stomata. The opening of stomata, it takes CO2. When the stomata is closed like this, then it releases oxygen. When the stomata is open, it takes carbon dioxide, intakes carbon dioxide. Okay, when the stomata is closed, it releases oxygen. So, leaf breathes through these pores. Leaf takes air, breathing through these pores. Okay. Plants, we know, we have studied that plants prepare their own food. Who depend on plants for food? Who depend on plants for food? Who depend on plants for food? We humans, we animals depend on plants for food. Okay, here is a simple chain. Plant. A plant is eaten by deer. Plant is eaten by deer. Deers are eaten by tiger. Okay, this is how a chain follows. So plants are producers. Plants are called producers and animals are called consumers. Plants are called producers, animals are called consumers. So I have a question, few questions about quick recap that how much you learn. Which part of the plant prepares food? Yes, leaf. Which part of the plant gives support to the plant? Yes, the answer is stem. So this is about, we have studied in the class now about plant, about the stem, about the leaf. In the next class, we will study about the next other parts.